Hi friends, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. So here I am with a very short video. It's about my plants which have bloomed recently. Now that's my chrysanthemum. That's the first plant that has bloomed. This is the Vincia with a pretty shade of red. I believe it is also called impression. That's the fuchsia pink. This is also Vincia from the same batch. And it has bloomed beautifully. Now look at this off-white color chrysanthemum. Doesn't it look pretty? Now that's again my Vincia. Now showing off my flowering plants, how could I forget my succulents, right? So here is my Hawatia. That too is variegated and it is blooming. Look at the variegation. That's the panda's ball. A very easy growing plant. And this one looks gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Now my PV and this one, it is getting a bit stronger and sturdy. It's improving. So this is it for today. As I always say, do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. Do hit the like button if you found the video interesting, and if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing. Stay tuned for more of interesting videos. So till then, it is bye bye from Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more.